Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to correctly use the Health app on iPhone. So start by opening up your Health app, and now on the bottom of the screen we can see three tabs: Summary, Sharing and Browse. Let's talk about Summary first. So this is your main window that displays notifications and pinned data. Keep in mind that with iOS 18, you will have the option to change this pinned data. So for that, you can click on Edit. You can unpin something like that. Also, you can reorder tabs, pin something back, and choose what to pin else. As you can see, there are a lot of options by categories. For example, we can pin heart rate, as well as blood pressure. Here we can also pin mental well-being, state of mind, to be able to log our emotions and mood, and tap done. After that, you will see all of this data on your home screen. You can pick something and manually tap to add data, but it will record it by default. Here you can also read information about each feature from the list. So focus on transient data rather than specific numbers. Watch your health changes over time to better assess what's benefiting you. And to view all of your health data, tap here, Show All Health Data. This will give you access to all the data you have collected, such as your heart rate, blood oxygen, and more. Here we got resting energy also for the past 7 days, past 12 months, and so on. Now, in the sharing section on the bottom, you can share your health data with family members or healthcare providers if needed. So you can tap to share with someone and find those people in your contacts. Great. Now let's just go back here, and on the bottom we can tap on Browse and use this section to search by categories such as activity or hearing or sleep, where you can set up your sleep schedule, which could be really helpful. So you can explore detailed data for each of this section in this list. And you can also use the health checklist to customize notifications and features such as high or low heart rate alerts, matrix change features. So here we can set low heart rate notifications, high, and so on. And if you're using iOS 18, try the new Vitals feature. It provides an overview of your key health metrics for the day, making it easier to track your overall health. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.